I've been doing Google Ads for about 13 years now. And during this time, I've managed multi-million dollar accounts, and I'm going to share with you how I manage and optimize Google Ads. Hi, Brian here, and welcome to TreeBud Academy. I make videos on business, advertising, and marketing, and I run a podcast. Today, I want to share with you a few tips on how I manage Google ad campaigns and optimize them. I prefer to manage and optimize Google Ads based on what I call the 4 fundamental pillars of search. And shout outs to Mike Ott, who got me started with Google Ads and taught me everything I knew. So the 4 pillars are keywords, ads, landing page, and settings or account structure. But first, I want to make sure we step back and understand Google as a platform before we dive into this. People use Google as a means to find things. So they may be looking for answers, solutions, facts. And understanding this, you can make sure your ads are answering your audience's questions, presenting them with the solutions to their problem or giving them the information they're looking for. This actually is the secret to running a good Google Ads campaign. So, for example, when you're doing your keyword research, think about what people are searching for or asking as it relates to your product. I did a tutorial and a video on how to find keywords for your Google Ads campaign. And I also have another video that talks about the tips and a secret weapon that I use for keyword research. So I'll include the links to the video in the info card above. And the same goes true for your ad copy, the headlines and descriptions. Are your ads answering the queries that people are typing in to match with your keywords? Do the ads tease something that will result in them clicking and then going on to find on your page the solution to their problem? Then as you run your ads and start to collect data, trends will start developing. And you may see some keywords or ads perform better than others. So for example, are certain keywords matching with the search queries better? How come it's matching better? Right? Is it the match type? Is it a certain phrase inside the keyword? Or certain ad copy is working better? Is it because it has the keywords included in the ad copy? Is it the call to action? And then you take a look at the landing pages. Does that landing page make good on the promise of the ad? So when they click, the experience mirrors what they're looking for, answers their question, or maybe they share the same call to action. Having some continuity with the call to action and your ad is very important. And this may still seem a bit abstract, so let's start from the very beginning. All right. In terms of optimization, it all starts with how you design your ad campaigns. So design your keywords to be grouped together in similar themes so that they're cohesive, right? They're kind of tight-knit in terms of what they try to target. Using different match types available can help you target and find other keywords. So for example, and this is a key part of optimization, let's say you run a nail salon, right? You may be selling biogel nails. If you have this keyword in exact match, you will only match with queries such as biogel nail, singular, biogel nails, plural. But now if you switch that over to a phrase match, you're going to start maybe seeing search queries such as biogel nails at home. You may not have thought about this as a keyword when you're creating your keyword list. So now you can add it to your keyword list. And in fact, this may be an entirely new group of people you can start targeting and convert them. I would actually probably think about what that mindset is when they're doing that search and meet them where they are. So what's their frame of mind when they're searching for biogel nails at home? they might want to not actually go to the salon and do it at home instead, right? So now you're going to try to get there in front of them when they have this mindset and try to convince them to come to the nail salon instead. So you may talk about some of the benefits, such as, convenience, right? Cleanliness, or maybe lowering the barriers or the perceived risk, and say how quickly you can book an appointment and get the nail done, right? Or maybe you can talk about how it's so much better to have a professional do it for you. You can design your ad copy to have the same messaging and the same wording while you're testing your call to actions. Or you can also test different benefits. So going back to the biogel example, right? You can write 3 versions of your ad description, and for example, the wording is exactly the same. And you can then start testing the call to action, right? Do book an appointment today versus book an appointment now, or give us a call today versus give us a call now. Or you can start testing what benefits resonates with people, right? So you keep the same call to action and you rotate different benefits. Something like maybe a worry-free or relaxing experience. You can talk about the convenience and cleanliness, having professionals work for you, right? So after a while, you're going to start seeing maybe one benefit or one call to action start winning out. And you can then start incorporating this into your other ads or into your landing pages. So, can you see how designing your campaigns in a particular way can help you down the road when you're doing your optimizations and make it easier on yourself? Design your campaigns to do continuous testing. Iterate, test slowly, maybe one element at a time. And here's another secret. The simpler your test, the quicker you'll be able to make a conclusion. Meaning you'll need to spend less money and time to get the results you're looking for. Another simple optimization that you can do, and it's one of my favorites, is analyzing the time of day and day of week. What this tells you is when your ads are served the most. It's kind of a proxy to when your website is the busiest or when your audience is most active. And of course, you can then use ad scheduling and the bid modifiers to kind of meet your audience where they are, meet them when they're most active. Wow. Can you believe that was only a handful of some of the easiest optimizations that you can do? I'm definitely going to have to do a follow-up video to this one. So be sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell. That's it for now.